Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to get into this month's Witch's Roots box. They always have an amazing subscription box, so be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below. I wonder what the theme is for this month, guys. So it looks like the theme for this month is the spirit of spring. As we move towards Ostara and the spring equinox, prepare to celebrate spring. We are overwhelmed with feelings of gratitude for the promise of renewed life. During such a vibrant and lively time of year, we focus on our spiritual and emotional rebirth. As new herbs, flowers, and plants begin to reawaken and sprout new life, we as well begin to celebrate new ideas, creations, and practices. It is very important as practitioners as we spend time during the season to embrace the beautiful journey ahead, knowing that each season our knowledge runs deeper, our intuition grows stronger, and our perception of gratitude overflows. In this truly joyful collection, we celebrate the essence of renewal in its most natural and ancient form. I'm so excited for this box, guys, because it's still snowing and it's going to snow more where I live, even though it's supposed to be spring, so I'm happy about that. Looks like I got this beautiful Book of Shadows artwork, guys. It has each element on there with like the crescent moons making the triple moon goddess symbol. I wonder what this... oh, I'm holding it upside down. So it's got like the moon phases with the sun. I feel like a balance of everything in it with the elements. This Book of Shadows artwork is really beautiful. And it looks like I got a Basil Book of Shadows plant artwork too, so I can't wait to add these to my Book of Shadows. This is a Pagan Tree of Life Book of Shadows artwork illustrated by A.E. Alden. Place it within your Book of Shadows for reference and inspiration. Allow this beautiful depiction of the Tree of Life to bring healing through understanding and knowing. Oh, that was the Tree of Life. I think I got really confused because I had it upside down, but that's a beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. So let's see what else is in here, guys. Look how well everything's always packaged. I'm always in love with it. So I think this is one of the main things in here. Let's open this up. And I love how it's packaged so good, so nothing's gonna be breaking on us. This is cute, guys. It's a little green man plaque, so you could go ahead and put this on your door, out on a tree outside. I'll probably put this outside on a tree to have a little area to represent the green man, but it's a little green man, guys. It kind of looks like there's a butterfly backing on him, so that's cool to have a little green man. And it looks like there's a potion for this month too, guys. A little magical anointing oil. Looks like this is the Spring Blessing magical anointing oil, guys. This one smells like caterpillar. I think they put some wild lettuce in here. I smell the lettuce. I smell caterpillar. I'm gonna attract all the ladybugs and caterpillars when I put this on, but this is a nice scent, guys, to go ahead and use to work with the energy of spring, renewal, growth. This will be really good to use in your rituals and magic, so that's great. And it also looks like there's some incense in this box too, guys. This is the Spring Blessings incense. This smells strong, guys. Whoa, this is gonna have some fiery spring renewal energy. I can definitely smell that. And we also have some basil in here, guys. So I wonder what they're gonna say the magical properties of basil are, because I did have a little basil plant and it made my food so flavorful for like over a month, like a couple months. My mom kept it alive and we put it in all our Italian food. It was so good. So besides consuming basil, what else is the magical properties? It says basil, Ocalam baculum, most likely originated in India. Basil was found throughout the history dating back thousands of years. This sacred and wonderful herb was dedicated to Krishna and Vishnu as offerings to bring blessings into one's life. Used across Europe to exorcise demons and malevolent spirits, basil is still used to this day for its ability to keep evil away. In Mexico, basil has commonly been found within small businesses to bring wealth, prosperity, and longevity. Interestingly, early Greek and Roman physicians believed that if you were to grow a successful crop of basil, you would need to yell and curse while planting each seed. Although commonly used within love spells, sachets, and rituals, basil provide a vast number of practical uses for the modern witch. We have chosen basil to be placed within this collection for its ability to deter unwanted spirits and negative energies, while at the same time attracting love and luck into your life. Killing two birds with one stone, that's awesome. As we focus on renewal and rebirth during the sacred season, allow the qualities of basil to accompany you while you dress your candles, create sachets, or simply sprinkle upon your altar. It is during this time that we intentionally work towards a renewed path. This can include adjusting our perception and altering our judgments, making a new career choice, or deciding to make better decisions regarding our mental and physical health. Embrace the beauty of the season and connect with the wisdom that is found within the sprouting life that surrounds us. Beautifully said, Witch's Moon. I love that. It looks like the last thing in here, guys, is a spell candle, and it looks like it's light green, perfect for spring and having a representation of the green man in this box. Not bad. So we got a nice little green spell candle, guys, to create some magic in our rituals. This box is definitely fun, and I'm happy it's getting the spring energies flowing for me, because where I live it's snowing and it doesn't feel too spring-like. So even though it's snowing, I can still tune in with the energies of the spring equinox. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for this awesome Witch's Roots box. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below, guys. They have neat subscription boxes. This one was one of their most affordable boxes. That's an herbal box. They have a moon box that has more ritual items that help get you started for the month, and the other one is their bounty box that has a neat magical pendant in there with other magical tools. And they have their moon market that's just neat divination, magical tools to help you along your spiritual journey. So you guys should totally check them out. I'll link them down below. Let them know I sent you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys will be notified for all of my future content. And like always, guys, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May it be as above and so below. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.